Yes, sir. Kindly next slide. Now, again, I'm telling you, she said, life is too short to spend worrying about people who oppose you. This is the thought of the day. Thank you, sir. And next slide. She said, democracy is necessary to peace and to undermining the force of terrorism. Why democracy is necessary? It's necessary to bring peace. Because in democracy, people are given more rights. People have right to speak. Speech की जो freedom है, जो बाकी के उनके हैं rights हैं और duties हैं, they are more clear to them. वो dictatorship के अंडर नहीं रहते. तो फिर जो freedom होता है तो you learn many things. तो उसमें क्या कह रहे हैं? Democracy is necessary to peace and to undermining the forces of terrorism. So next slide, please. And now look at the books, beta. Turn your books and open your books at page number. Next slide, sir. Page number 16. Benazir Bhutto, first era government. This is what I said, beta. Democracy is necessary to peace and undermining forces of terrorism. So next slide. Thank you. Your page number 16, take your pencils in your hands. General elections were held. Now, you know that after Junejo, after the death of Ziaul Haq in 1988, he died in an air crash. And who came to Pakistan? Benazir Bhutto. बहुत important है. First era, December 1988 to August 1990. This is your MCQ. General elections were held in 1988. आपको पता है कि वो कौन से थे? Non-party basis elections हुए थे. And General Ziaul Haq was the president earlier for जो 7 years का था, उन्होंने rule किया था martial law का. Sorry, 8 years जो थे वो martial law के थे. Afterwards, Mr. Junejo जो थे, he took the office of the prime minister. लेकिन प्रेसिडेंट ज़ियाउल हक थे. तो जो एक चेंज आया था 1988 में, यस सर, थैंक यू. फर्स्ट पेज सर 16. जनरल इलेक्शंस वर हेल्ड इन 1988 इन पाकिस्तान. जनरल इलेक्शंस जो थे वो कब हेल्ड किए गए पाकिस्तान में? 1988 में. पीपल्स पार्टी बेनजीर भुट्टो वाज इलेक्टेड पाकिस्तान एंड इस्लामिक वर्ल्ड्स फर्स्ट वुमेन प्राइम मिनिस्टर. इसको अंडरलाइन कीजिएगा बेटा. इट इज योर prime MCQ. The following are the important events of Benazir Bhutto for the first time. Look at the slides. मैंने आपको दिया हुआ है. What is the origin of Commonwealth? The Commonwealth is one of the world's oldest political associations of states. Its roots go back to the British Empire when countries around the world were ruled by the Britain. How does the Commonwealth help countries? The Commonwealth Secretariat established in 1965 supports Commonwealth member countries to achieve development, democracy, and peace. We are a voice for small and vulnerable. Vulnerable means poor, very miserable condition में जो states हैं, and a champion for young people. We help to strengthen governance, build inclusive institutions, and promote justice and human rights. I have given you a brief description of the Commonwealth. अभी इसी part को हम पढ़ेंगे. Number 1 point on page number 16, the dissolution of the Balochistan. Dissolution dissolve कर देना, खत्म कर देना, मुअत्तल कर देना. बलोचिस्तान असेंबली जो प्रोविंशियल असेंबली को डिसॉल्व किया गया था. The chief minister of Balochistan, Zafarullah Khan Jamali had just not gained the vote of confidence. बेटा अदम एतमाद. कॉन्फिडेंस होता है एतमाद का वोट. अभी एतमाद का वोट नहीं लिया गया था from the Balochistan Assembly in 1988 that Benazir Bhutto government dismissed. Government जैसे ही उन्होंने वोट लिया, ये because he was from the Muslim League. Mr. Zafarullah Jamali जो थे, he was from the Muslim League और मुस्लिम लीग की वहां पर हुकूमत थी. अब उन्होंने अभी वोट नहीं लिया था तो बेनजीर ने कहा कि इसको डिसॉल्व करो. But what happened? The Balochistan High Court took up the case. बलोचिस्तान हाई कोर्ट ने इस केस को सुना and declare it as an unconstitutional. उन्होंने कहा ये unconstitutional है. ये क्या है? गैर आईनी है. It doesn't come under the constitution. So and restored the house. Restored the house means they restored the assembly. उसको दोबारा जो था वो बहाल कर दिया. Presidential elections क्या थे? सदारती इंतखाबात. आपको पता है when prime minister is chosen, then president is chosen by the assembly plus all the provincial assemblies जो होती हैं. Ghulam Ishaq Khan won the presidential election against Nawabzada Nasrullah Khan in December 1988 and took the oath of the office. याद है आपको, आपने गुलाम इसहाक खान थे, चेयरमैन सेनेट थे, and he took the office of president as a caretaker. जब ज़ियाउल हक की डेथ हुई तो who was the caretaker of Pakistan as a president? गुलाम इसहाक. अब गुलाम इसहाक खान ने इलेक्शंस जो थे वो विन किए and he took the oath for the office of president. Pakistan rejoins Commonwealth. अब मैंने आपको Commonwealth की details दे दी हैं. After separation from the Commonwealth 1972 में भुट्टो दौर में Commonwealth से अलहदगी हो गई थी. Pakistan rejoined in 1989. दोबारा से मोहतरमा बेनज़ीर भुट्टो rejoined the Commonwealth in 1989. I have given you the complete description of the Commonwealth before the starting of the lesson. Foreign policy is very important, plays very important role in one's government. The government of Benazir Bhutto adopted a no confrontation policy. ये short question आ सकता है बेटा. What was the foreign policy of the Benazir Bhutto? ये बहुत important है. भुट्टो ने non confrontation, confrontation होता है conflict के साथ, तो no confrontation उन्होंने कहा जी हमें लड़ाई झगड़ा नहीं चाहिए, कोई महाजराई नहीं चाहिए. पॉलिसी विद इंडिया, इंडिया के साथ कहा कि हम महाजराई नहीं करना चाहते, लेट्स रिजॉल्व द इश्यूज बाय टेबल टॉक, अच्छे तरीके से बातचीत की जाए. और उसका नतीजा क्या था? नॉन कन्फ्रंटेशन पॉलिसी का नतीजा क्या था? व्हेन राजीव गांधी विजिटेड पाकिस्तान टू पार्टिसिपेट इन द फोर्थ सार्क, व्हेन डिड इंडियन प्राइम मिनिस्टर राजीव गांधी केम टू पाकिस्तान टू अटेंड द फोर्थ सर्कल? फोर्थ कौन सी सार्क कॉन्फ्रेंस थी? फोर्थ कॉन्फ्रेंस थी. हु विजिटेड इंडियन प्राइम मिनिस्टर? Rajiv Gandhi. Benazir Bhutto joined hands for establishing good relations with him. अब मैंने आपको बताया था, देखिए, I have given you the pictures. Important objectives जो थे साके कि अमनो ईमान का खिता हो. South southern part of Asia should have a peaceful environment. और एक दूसरे के साथ राब्ते में रहें, ताउन करें. For what? For the promotion of what? To accelerate economic growth, increase collaboration and mutual assistance in which fields? Economic, social, culture, technology and scientific. जो पैसा आपने अपनी सरहदों पे डिफेंस के ऊपर लगाना है, अगर आपके खित्ते में अमन सुकून है तो वो आप अपनी पब्लिक के ऊपर, आप अपनी नेशन की डेवलपमेंट के लिए या आप उसके इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर पे डेवलप कर सकते हैं. Am I clear? So she went for the no confrontation policy. Social welfare क्या था? The government had launched the People's Work Program for the development. Please underline. अब आप देखो ना, इमरान खान एहसास प्रोग्राम करें for the young people. तो उन्होंने क्या कहा? अब आप ये भी याद रखें, she was the daughter of Mr. Bhutto. Mr. Bhutto was a feudal. मैंने आपको पढ़ाया था कि एक जागीरदार थे, feudal थे, ठीक है, हाईली जिसको कहते हैं ना, बहुत ज्यादा रिच थे. लेकिन उन्होंने क्या किया? उन्होंने इसके अगेंस्ट लेबर पॉलिसी दी, एग्रीकल्चर रिफॉर्म्स दिए. हालांकि देखा जाए तो जो फ्यूडल्स होते हैं वो कहते हैं कि एग्रीकल्चर रिफॉर्म्स या लेबर पॉलिसी जो थी, इन स्पाइट ऑफ हिज फ्यूडलिज्म, उन्होंने लेबर्स को बड़ा फ्रीडम दिया, बोनस दिया, 54 आवर्स से 48 आवर्स को उन्होंने रिलैक्सेशन दी. सो वो किन की बेटी थी? भुट्टो की बेटी थी. उन्होंने क्या किया? The government had launched the People's Work Program for the development and social welfare of the country, for providing employment to the public. Our department, बहुत important है, employment means नौकरी. To give jobs to the public, क्या department शुरू किया? Our department, placement bureau. Bureau का मतलब है organization, office, service, agency, department was set up. Why this was set up? Placement bureau was set up. It was set up to provide employment to the public. Thousands people got employment through it. और बहुत सारे लोगों को इस तरीके से नौकरियां दी गई. The dismissal of the Benazir Bhutto government. This is a very important short question बेटा आपका. President Ghulam Ishaq are using the powers under section 58(2)(b. Remember, जनरल ज़ियाउल हक ने एक अमेंडमेंट की थी और उसमें प्रेसिडेंट को पावर्स दे दी गई थी ज्यादा, और वो पावर्स किस सेक्शन के अंडर आ रही थी? कौन से सेक्शन में? कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का वो कौन सा सेक्शन है? 58(2)(b. प्लीज इसको सर्कल कीजिएगा. अंडर द सेक्शन ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. याद रखिएगा, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में ये पावर्स जो थी ये प्रेसिडेंट के पास थी टू डिसमिस द National Assembly to dissolve that. अब president कौन थे? Who dissolved the Benazir Bhutto's government? For what reason? ये पूरा short question आ जाता है. Please make it sure a very important short question of this lesson, of this topic. President Ghulam Ishaq Khan, using the powers under Section 58(2)(b) of the Constitution, dismissed the Benazir Bhutto government on the what charges? On the charges of corruption, and dissolved the National Assembly on 6 August 1990 में बेनजीर भुट्टो का जो दौरे हुकूमत था वो डिसॉल्व किया गया. It was dissolved under the Section 58(2)(b) of the Constitution, which gave powers to the President आगे आप पढ़ेंगे. मियां नवाज शरीफ ने ये पावर्स जो थी इसको अमेंड किया. उन्होंने कहा नो, इट कैन नॉट बी डन, क्योंकि फिर जो पार्लियामेंटेरियन सिस्टम होता है बेटा, उसमें प्राइम मिनिस्टर इज द हेड ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट. गवर्नमेंट को चलाने का जो इख्तियार है वो उसके पास होता है, और सूबों को बहुत ज्यादा जो है वो powers दी जाती हैं. So we are going to read it next अभी, because you people are in with the politics also, तो अब आपको समझ भी है इस बात की. So her first government lasted how many months? Very important MCQ. How many months? Only for 20 months she remained as the first Pakistani prime minister of the first lady prime minister of the Islamic world. I have got another 9 minutes. बहुत आसान टॉपिक है. बेनजीर भुट्टो सेकंड एरा, अंडरलाइन कीजिएगा. MCQ अक्टूबर 1993 to 1996. When I will take the poll, तो हो सकता है कि I may give you the MCQ like this. Benazir Bhutto was elected prime minister for the second time in October 1993 till 1996. इस एरा को, टाइम पीरियड को याद रखिएगा. The following are the important events of the second term. अब उनके important events, what were his achievements, क्या थी या क्या प्रोग्राम उन्होंने स्टार्ट किए for the development of the country. Development programs क्या थे during Benazir Bhutto's second term? Construction of Karachi flyover bridge, underline कीजिएगा, and Lahore bypass was started. ये public के लिए उन्होंने start किए development programs थे. Plan for farmers and women, very important. Benazir Bhutto set up Kisan Bank for providing loans to farmers and launched the National Tractor Scheme. दो चीजें उन्होंने important की. किसानों को मैंने अभी आपको बताया था बेटा, भुट्टो भी फ्यूडल होने के बावजूद, फ्यूडल फैमिली से ताल्लुक रखने के बावजूद, he gave reforms in the agriculture department and as well as the labor. Now she's the daughter of the Bhutto and give plan for the farmers because they knew that this is agriculture country. तो लोगों को loans जो है farmers को देने चाहिए. And what is next? National Tractor Scheme जो थी वो easy loans पे easy installments के ऊपर ये भी start किया. Social and health policies were framed for women. अच्छा जी, अब उनका जो था ये मैंने लास्ट पे आपको एक दिया है कि सर नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन शेयर कीजिएगा. बहुत खूबसूरत कोट उन्होंने दी है. सर नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन, जब तक ये मैं पढ़ाती हूँ उसमें उन्होंने कहा था, who was the French statesman who said, give me an educated mother and I shall promise you the birth of a civilized educated nation. सुनी होगी ये आपने. मुझे पढ़ी लिखी माँ दे और मैं आपको एक अच्छी कौम दूंगा. Who said this one? Look at the beautiful quotes of the Benazir Bhutto. Being women, I'm supporting women that side. लेकिन अच्छा है, मुझे अच्छा लगा. You know that Napoleon Bonaparte French statement said, give me an educated mother, I shall promise you the birth of a civilized educated nation. And afterwards, Benazir Bhutto ने क्या कहा? I dream of a Pakistan in which women contribute to their full potential. पूरी potential के साथ अपनी पूरी खुदादा सलाहियतों के साथ वो हिस्सा ले. I am conscious of the struggle that lies ahead. मुझे नजर आ रहा है कि पाकिस्तान में ख़वातीन का क्या रोल हो सकता है. So I need to support the women. वो कह रही, I'm conscious of the struggle that lies ahead, but with your help we shall persevere. Allah willing, we shall succeed. और यकीनन हम इसमें कामयाब होंगे. So when she said about the women, अब इसी कोट को मैंने लेके तो women point जो है वो पढ़ाऊंगी. Social and health policies were framed for the women. Women police stations and courts were set up for providing legal facilities to this class. बहुत सारी बातें हम खवातीन मेल्स के साथ नहीं कर सकती, तो उन्होंने क्या कहा? सपोर्ट दी पुलिस स्टेशंस में, विमेन पुलिस स्टेशन, कोर्ट्स जो थी, अदालतों में विमेन्स को सपोर्ट दी गई, सो दे फेल्ट फ्रीडम टू डिस्कस देयर केसेस विद these डिपार्टमेंट, लीगल फैसिलिटेट भी वो कर सकती थी। 8 5-year प्लान था, द गवर्नमेंट लॉन्च द 8 5-year प्लान। बेटा ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, इट्स अ शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन, प्लान्स फॉर फार्मर्स एंड विमेन, and then 8 5-year plan launched the 8 5-year plan, which resulted in rapid development and prosperity of the country. Rapid, very quick, prosperity, खुशहाली। Foreign visits and the Kashmir issue. अब ये मिसेस नहीं होनी चाहिए, she cannot be Mrs. Bhutto, she is Miss Bhutto. भुट्टो की बेटी है तो मिस भुट्टो कहला सकती हैं, मिसेस जरदारी कहला सकती हैं, मिस भुट्टो। Ms. Bhutto made successful visit to Iran and Turkey. She gained moral support of these countries on the Kashmir issue. Many arguments of cooperation in different fields were signed. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa government, the government of the Chief Minister P. Sabir Shah of the Muslim League and the assembly were dissolved in 1994 in KP, and after Ahmed Khan Shepo of the People's Party was elected as the Chief Minister. अब वहां पर मुस्लिम लीग के जो चीफ मिनिस्टर थे, हु वाज द मुस्लिम लीग चीफ मिनिस्टर? पीर साबिर शाह। प्लीज सर्कल कीजिएगा एमसीक्यू। हु वन द इलेक्शन ऑफ द चीफ मिनिस्टर? कौन बने? आफ्ताब अहमद शेरपा ऑफ पाकिस्तान पीपल्स पार्टी। ही टुक द ऑफिस ऑफ द प्राइम चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ द केपी। The dismissal of the government of Benazir Bhutto, देखिए बहुत ज्यादा काम नहीं हुआ और फिर से डिसमिस कर दिया गया। Differences on different matters were developed between President Mr. Farooq Ahmad. Second में कौन था? Who was the president of the second era? First era, the president was Ghulam Isa Khan, Mr. Farooq Ahmad Lagari. इन्होंने उन्हें dismiss किया by using what powers? Again, I'm telling you, Section 58(2)(b) of the Constitution. The president used those powers and Prime Minister Benazir Bhutto जो थी उन्हें dismiss कर दिया गया। He dismissed the government on charges of corruption by using the powers under 58(2)(b) of the Constitution. Benazir Bhutto ruled over the country for about 3 years. Circle कीजिएगा that she ruled the country for 3 years in the second era, and in the first era she had that issue of 20 months only. This is all for today, my dear students. Next topic of Mia Nawaz Sharif was the part of the this year exams. Class 10th में आया था मिया नवाज शरीफ का गवर्नमेंट का जो तो प्लान, it is a long one और इसको हम पढ़ेंगे कल. We will do it inshallah. We will do it tomorrow. And let me check. I have got 3 minutes and I am going to check your attendance. Jaldi say, keep an eye on the girls, beta. Nawal. Michelle is present. Mirias is present? No. Cannot see her.
Mirias is not.
Vanya is present.
Yes.
Nawal, help me, beta.
Yes, teacher, she is present.
No. Cannot.
No. Angela
Can you
is
hear
not
me?
here.
Nawal,
Yes.
can you hear me, darling?
Yes, teacher.
Nawal, are you there, beta? Vanya, you can unmute yourself, beta. Now turn
Yeah, I
on
am
your
here.
video, your face. Turn on the video, so I'm taking your attendance, beta. Turn on the videos. Turn on the videos, beta. Yes, thank you, beta. Thank you. I cannot see Nawal. Just go with
Yes.
me, beta. Before
Yes,
I
teacher.
leave the lecture. I cannot see Malaika. Malaika was absent from last 3 days. She did not attend. Arisha is absent
teacher, I am
again.
present.
Teacher Malaika is
Yashal-
here.
Okay, beta, darling,
Yashal-
it's okay. Yashal Satar, absent again. Angel Daniel is present.
No.
Angela
No.
Asif, are you there, beta?
No, teacher, she is not.
I took your name. Malaika, where were you? I marked you absent.
Teacher, net problem थी.
You joined me late, beta.
Yes, teacher, net problem थी.
Use your chat box, beta. Are you not allowed to use your chat box? So Shakil, please. Can you use chat box?
Yes, teacher.
Sania, can you use chat box? Muhiba, can you use chat box? Say yes or no.
Yes, teacher, we can.
Okay. Angel Daniel is absent.
Yes.
Fazeen is absent.
Yes.
From last time, Samra is not present today.
So she's
Muhiba is
here.
present. And
Just
Gareth
summarize
is
in here.
absent today. Diane Joseph is present and Faris Anjum is absent. And Wahaj is absent again. Turn on the video so I can see your face, Michelle.
Teacher, Samra's name is written in the participants.
Voice, then just check. Let me check yours. Let me check your also. Daud Rashid is absent. Talha is present. Daud is absent. No, that is he is present. Turn on the videos, beta. क्या कर रहे हो? Can't you use the chat box?